Welcome back to How to Do Basic Things. Today we have Dante. He's going to be helping us how to make some pasta. Pasta is really important to learn how to make because one time in college I forgot to add water to my pasta and it caught on fire, and we were at the dorms at the time, so the fire department came, and again it's at 2 in the morning, so everybody got evacuated and I was that guy that forgot to add water to the pasta. So today we have Dante who's going to be showing us how to make some pasta.
Yeah. Well, I think the first step everyone needs to know before making pasta is, you have to really know what kind of pasta do you want to make.
Right.
Something that you need to master, the connection between your stomach and your heart.
Wow.
Because your stomach just wants to be fed so you're happy. Your heart wants to make your stomach happy. So
it's a constant battle.
Yeah. Tonight we're going to do some farfalle pasta.
Farfalle.
It's often referred to as bow tie pasta in English. And the connection there is that in Italian, bow ties are referred to as farfalle. They're all combined there.
Potato.
Farfalle.
So, alright, anywho, what we're going to be doing is we're going to step into the kitchen and kind of give you guys the breakdowns of the essential things you need to do to make some pasta. So, stay tuned. We're going to go into the kitchen right now and move from there.
First thing you want to do is boil the water. Very important step, salt the water first. Alright. Here we're just washing the mushrooms because they come from the dirt and they still have dirt on them. One thing to remember is that garlic, I love garlic, it is my favorite vegetable, but it is not your friend. Don't be nice to the garlic.
Alright, Dante, so what do we have so far here?
Alright, we've got the pasta.
We're
waiting to put that into the boiling water. We got some mushrooms, onions, tomato basil's on there.
Okay.
And a banana.
And a banana. We have banana
And garlic
pasta.
as well.
Oh, garlic. Essentials.
And this is a strange banana because you don't peel it.
You don't peel the banana. Alright, so me and Dante are gonna be double teaming this. Dante's gonna start off with the mushrooms. I'm gonna go ahead and put olive oil in this pan. Make sure the pan is hot. Put some garlic, some onions, and the not banana. These are actually zucchinis for those who are gullible enough to think they were bananas. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. Then of course the onions. You can never have too much onions. We're gonna go ahead and let this simmer a little bit. And after everything simmers in, what we're gonna do is add the sauce. Shout out to Trader Joe's again for this tomato basil Mariana sauce. Trader Joe's. So it looks like the mushrooms are ready, the zucchini and the onions are ready. So we're gonna add the mushrooms into here, easy stuff. Nice. Stir that up. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Next we're gonna add the sauce. And sauce, if you don't have the sauce, you're nothing. I got it. And what you want to do is, there's a little bit of sauce left in here. So, add some water, a little bit. 2 shots of water. You have a little bit of a sauce going on. All the sauce is at the bottom. The sauce is all used. Now we're gonna let it simmer a little bit, and pretty soon add the, what do they call it?
Farfalle.
Farfalle.
And the water is boiling. We're gonna put the pasta in. Get them nice and under the water there. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. There's directions in the bag. Don't worry about those.
So how do you know when the noodles are ready?
Well, you really gotta feel it with the fork. Depends how you like it. Some people like it al dente, which means to the teeth, which means it's a little bit tough. It requires you to bite into it. And that's really good with a lot of sauces because it holds the sauce. It stays firm.
Okay.
And you just kind of feel it out. This is pretty soft right now. Just past al dente.
Would you just try to put one in your mouth and kind of just like eat it and just see if it's texture-wise ready?
Sometimes I do, but also it's a good way to burn your mouth. So
today we have Austin, our cameraman, who's gonna be trying out some of the pasta, as well as Josh. Go ahead and try your first bite of the pasta.
cheers.
Oh wow.
Great texture.
It's really good.
Are you doing good?
Alright. We're about to try our noodles. Go ahead, Dante. Let me know. I didn't get any noodles yet.
Good. Oh,
I don't know if it's because I'm really hungry and it just tastes really good, or it's just really good. Well, anywho, thanks again for watching, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it, leave a comment below, and hopefully you can come out with some more videos. Other than that, I'm gonna enjoy this noodles. See you guys soon. So good, the noodles.